Nick has a really big log then.
Yep. There you are. There she is.
I can't see myself. Move your hand.
Where'd you go? There you are. You're there too. There I am. There you go.
I was like, maybe it didn't look pretty enough.
Reading my conversations. Hey, I'm recording you now. What you doing? I get the face in that too. Nope. There we go.
It's like go randomly rub yourself down. That's what he's waiting for.
I don't know what she's doing. I can't see.
If you're recording, you can watch it later.
That's true. I'm recording.
Ah.
Ba-da-da-bum, bum, bum.
Wait. I wish I was an Oscar Mayer wiener. Cause that is what I truly like to be. Cause if I was an Oscar Mayer wiener, then everybody'd be in love with me.
Put that on YouTube. And cut that section out on YouTube.
That was really scary. I can't even see myself. Hey, baby.
Can't even see my head. Oh, see, the worse was the other direction.
Wait. I don't know how to do it.
What?
Like, not gonna do it.
Yeah,
That's awful.
you getting this off.
Dude, oh my god. Dude, oh my god. Dude.
This is so
Hey,
black
bro.
metal about 5 years from now.
What? I thought you bit me.
I was about to.
Give him a look. Give him a look. It's the model look, right? Be a tiger. Be a tiger. Kara loves you.
No, not me. Do it, look, do it on me. Are you doing it on me?
Where are you?
Do it on me.
Where are you? Crap.
Why don't you just move? The retarded. The retarded tiger.
Spit on me.
Spit on that.
Oh my god. Did you just puke a little?
Nope, we don't get to see that.